Hello students, welcome to the online classes. I hope you all are well and doing well. Today we are going to discuss a poem based on an important part of our body. This part helps us to breathe and to recognize different smell. Yes, I am talking about noses. So today's topic is noses. Let's discuss the poem and know the importance of noses. Let's start. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. Stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. Explanation of this stanza is that the poetess says that whenever she looks at the mirror, she looks at her nose and finds it very funny because it is coming out of her face. All of her nose is shown and she finds the two holes in it to be strange. These are used by us for taking in air to our lungs and giving it out too. Let's come to the second stanza. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there is not much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. The explanation of the third stanza is the poetess says that she looked at herself in the mirror and found her nose to be placed in the middle of her face between her chin and head, just like a handle is fixed into a door. Now come to the third stanza. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then no doubt you will see how funny your nose sticks out. Now come to the third stanza. Explanation of this stanza is that she tells the child, the reader, that if ever she wants to laugh at something but cannot find one, she can look at her nose in the mirror. She says that the child will find it so funny and strange the way her nose too grows out of her face. Okay, students, let's know the meaning of new words. First word is mirror, 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 then funniest, then breathing, then sticking, then giggle. Let's know the meaning of these new words. First mirror. Mirror means a surface of glass which reflects an image, जो कि हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं आईना, शीशा. नेक्स्ट फनीएस्ट. फनीएस्ट का मीनिंग है वेरी फनी. नेक्स्ट ब्रीदिंग. ब्रीदिंग का मीनिंग है सांस लेना. नेक्स्ट स्टिकिंग. स्टिकिंग का मतलब है फिक्सिंग. नेक्स्ट गिगल. गिगल का मीनिंग है टू लाफ लाइटली इन ए सिली वे. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, let's come to the question section. This is your question section. I am going to show the answers of the NCERT question. These are your questions. First question is, where does the poet feel that the nose is a funny thing? The answer is, the poet feels that the nose is a funny thing because it grows straight with two little holes in it. The poet feels that the nose is a funny thing because it grows straight with two little holes in it. Next, number 2. Question is why is your nose important for you? Why is your nose important for you? Nose is important for us because it helps us in breathing. Nose is important for us because it helps us in breathing. Next, come to question number 3. That is your last question. Does the child in the poem like her nose? Why do you think so? The answer is no. The child in the poem does not like her nose because she always laughs when she sees her nose in the mirror. Okay, students, these are the questions and these are the answers. Both are here. You write in your copy. Okay, thank you.